guys, in today's video I want to make a video all about the Passover Haggadah. So I recently shared that I have a Haggadah that you guys can download on Etsy. It's a digital download and I made a video all about it, why I made the Haggadah, who it's for, and all things like that. But in this video I want to talk about just the basics of what a Haggadah is, what's essential in it, and how to use it to have a Passover Seder. So I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more of my videos, and let's jump in. So the Haggadah is the guide to the Seder, and what's awesome about the Haggadah, almost unlike a Siddur or any other Jewish book, is it very clearly spells out exactly what you need to do to observe the holiday of Pesach and the Seder night. And the word Haggadah means order, and the Seder has a specific order, and all of those components are listed out in the Haggadah, so you won't miss any. So the Seder has 15 parts, or 14 depending on how you count. I'll get into that. And the Haggadah takes you through each one. So I'm going to list them out for you really quick and just a really brief description of each one. Number 1, Kadesh, reciting the Kiddush over the wine. Number 2, washing the hands, or chatz. Number 3, karpas, eating a green leafy vegetable for springtime. Number 4, Yachatz, breaking the middle matzah in two. Number 5, Magid. This is probably the biggest, most important one. Magid means to tell the story of our exodus from Egypt. Number 6, Rachsa, washing our hands because we're about to eat. Number 7, Motzi, saying the Hamotzi blessing before we eat our matzah. Number 8, Matzah, eat the matzah, unleavened bread. Number 9, Maror, eating the bitter herbs to remind us of the bitterness of slavery. Number 10, Korech, eating a sandwich. This is a tradition to put matzah and maror, sometimes haroset, together in a sandwich. Shulchan Orech. This is the big festive meal of Passover. This is the highlight for a lot of people. Next, Safun, the end of the meal by eating the afikomen. Then you have Berach, which is the blessings after the meal. And then Hallel and Nirtzah, sometimes 2, sometimes 1, but basically singing and joy and discussion after the meal. So those are all the central parts. And as you go through the Haggadah, there's either a blessing or something to do for each one of them. For saying the blessing over the wine, drinking the wine, washing hands, all of that. There's also some other traditional components of the Seder, like the 4 questions, the Mani Shana. There's a discussion of the 4 sons. So all of those parts are listed out. What's really interesting about the Haggadah is while there are some essential things you need to say, right? The blessing of the Kiddush wine has a specific blessing to say. There's also tons and tons of room to grow your Seder through your Haggadah and to expand on things. So while we're discussing slavery, you can also talk about modern day slavery or how we're enslaved in our own minds. Any of those discussion topics are really open and welcome at the Seder table, and it allows the Seder to always feel fresh and relevant. So in your Haggadah, throughout each section, when you get to something that reminds you of something going on in the world or sparks something meaningful to your life, you can absolutely include a reading about it or a discussion question about it. Something like the 4 sons is one of those topics that always is shrouded in like mystery, like what does it mean? Who are these 4 sons? It sparks so much discussion about our own children as well as our own thoughts about Judaism and questioning what we're doing here. So that's what I love about the Haggadah, is even though it's got essential components and the ones I listed out, there's also so much room to make it personal and meaningful. So all you have to do on Seder night is take your Haggadah, go through, read the essential blessings, sing the songs, eat the meal, find the afikomen, and enjoy your Passover Seder. Remember how truly blessed we are to be free. I hope this video helped explain what the Haggadah is and a little bit of how the Passover Seder works. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!